Hello guys, today we are going to be adding a kill switch to the red go-kart, aka Blaze. So as you can see, there's already a hole in the frame, so that saved us a little bit of time and hassle, so we didn't have to drill one. So what we're going to do, I already took this washer off that has the on-off words and the bolt that holds it and the switch on. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put that through here, like so. Whoops, dropped the bolt there. And we're going to put in this on-off washer. And we are going to reinstall the bolt. So there we go, guys. There's my kill switch, and you can do the same for your go-kart. And as always, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed your time on my channel, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.